ingredient apple pie cake recipe. I have my angel food cake here, the one that says just add water. My apple pie filling. This part is totally optional, but I always add a bit more cinnamon and nutmeg just because I don't think it has enough, but it's totally optional. I'm gonna mix this together. Oh, yum. All right, then we're gonna take our 9x13 pan and grease it. So now we're gonna spread all this around, bake this in the oven, then we're gonna come back and cut it. Here is my 2-ingredient apple cake. Now, this is very optional, but if you want, you can add whipped cream or whipped topping. Oh my goodness. Yum, this looks so delicious.
I'll try it and see what I think. Dun 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 dun. Dun dun dun. Ooh, it smells delicious. Mmm. Yum. That's like an apple pie. That's really good. Mmm. Yum. Super delish.